Hi everyone and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's Sophie Hannah here. I hope you guys are super well and staying safe. I changed my retainer today, so if you guys missed it, I am getting my teeth straightened with Impress. So I'll pop a link below to their website if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I changed my retainer today. So a little bit painful when I first put it in. Feels alright now, so hopefully it won't be too bad, but I feel like tonight's probably going to be the worst day for it, and then it will just get easier as the days go on. And then yeah, basically I change my retainer every week. But I had a little look at my future retainers, the ones because I've already got them already, and basically my teeth at the bottom are pretty straight after like 10 weeks, so I should see a really good difference in 10 weeks, and then it will just be like finalising all the tiny little movements and little bits in that last kind of 10 weeks. I've got 20 retainers to do, so yeah, but super discreet. It just sounds a little bit weird, but I feel like I'm getting used to it now. I've had it in for a week. Anyways guys, I've been filming some festival hair tutorials this morning. Very exciting. I had so many comments on my EDC hair and my Creamfields hair, so I thought I would actually sit down and kind of show you guys, because it's actually so easy to do. I've kind of figured out an easier way to do festival hair that's really simple. Also, it doesn't feel tight on your hair either. So in my kind of old ways that I used to do it, I used to actually kind of thread the braiding hair through my hair and kind of attach my hair within it, but now I don't do that. And anyway, just wait and see the tutorials and you'll kind of get the gist of what I mean. But it just feels a lot more comfortable now. And also, like, if you're at a festival and you're like, you know what, I just need to take my hair out, it's actually so easy to take out. But yeah, and also it's actually a really good way of also reusing the hair. So I've put this in a way that I can now reuse it. And also I did a tutorial with bubble braids as well. So now I've got these done, I can just reuse these for future looks. So yeah, very, very simple, easy to do, and they're reusable. And I always get questions on where I get the hair from. I get it from Amazon. It's synthetic braiding hair. You can get it in different colours, ombres, really, really long ones. Yes, I get it all from Amazon. So I'll pop a link below to my Amazon shop. But yeah, I filmed this one and then I did like 2 bubble braid bunches. So they'll be coming very, very soon on my social media channels. I didn't film like a YouTube tutorial or anything. Let me know if you guys want one. But I just did a quick, shorts. So I could post a YouTube shorts instead, or if you want more of an in-depth tutorial, let me know. But yeah, I'm going to go food shopping now. I'm going to go food shopping like this because I can't be asked to take it out because my hair looks so nice. Guys, I'm filming a pride look today, so I'm going to make a headpiece. I've got these like rainbow butterflies from Amazon. And then I've just got some little gems. Basically, I just raided my craft little box. It's a mess, by the way. So I'm just going to like wing it and go with the flow and try and just stick some gems on and some rainbow butterflies. And I'm going to do like a rainbow butterfly pride look today because I'm obsessed with the butterfly looks. So I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm cutting strips of these sticky gems like this. And then I'm going to stick those on in a row instead of individually sticking on the gems, because that's going to take me so long and I don't have that many hours today to do this look. So yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to tell. And then once I've added the butterflies and stuff, I think it'll look okay. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do with my glue gun. Okay, so all of these little jewels have been added. Now I'm going to add some larger ones to these little spikes in between, and then we'll add some butterflies. Okay guys, I'm all finished, ready to do the makeup look. Guys, just finished my pride look. I'm literally obsessed with this rainbow butterfly. Oh, I love it. Guys, I'm all for supporting the LGBTQ plus community. So yeah, I really hope they love the fact that I'm supporting them. Guys, I have just filmed a Monster High look of Julia. What do we think? I'm literally so pleased with how it turned out. It looks so cool. Oh my god. Also, I tried using a cream base for this look, and it works so much better than using face paint, just because it's kind of like a foundation and then you can kind of like contour with it and then like powder over the top. So I used this palette, excuse the lid, because I use it to mix. The Athena painting palette from Amazon. It's so good. It's huge. It's basically like a cheaper dupe of the Makeup Forever one. But it turned out really, really well. What do you guys think? I've been meaning to do a Monster High look for so long, and then I saw that TikTok's got a filter where like it lands on one. So yeah, what do we think? Literally obsessed. Guys, I filmed 2 really fun looks today, like creative looks, and I completely forgot to vlog, so I'm going to show you a little snippet on my phone of what I did. So Stranger Things is trending, so I had to do Angela. So this is my Angela look. This is the roller skating scene in Stranger Things 4. And yeah, I went there. The blood and the gore. And then, how freaking fun is this? I did my first Monster High character, Julia. Actually looks so good. Imagine if we all had like, if humans all had coloured hair and coloured skin. Like, imagine if we all looked like Monster High characters. It'd be so fucking funny. Also, got a really cute delivery today. I'm thinking this is going to be one of my secret garden party outfits. So I've got a few more festivals this year. And yeah, just trying to kind of think about outfits. So I'll either wear this to Tomorrowland, or Secret Garden Party has like a love theme. So I feel like it will work perfectly there. However, I have ordered like a blue version of this outfit as well. Like it's from a different brand, but it's very similar. So I don't know whether it's too samey to wear like 2 pretty similar outfits to one festival. I might break it up. So yeah, anyways, let me show you. So these are the pants. As you can see, they've got like heart diamantes on. And this is the bra top. Such a cute outfit. This is the brand. I got it from Wild Thing, but the brand is Shop Disco Kitten, if any of you guys want to shop. And there's a code there, Loyal Babe, for 15% off. Oh, guys, been filming this morning. Filming this really cute little makeup look. Also, today is a weird day. It's got highs and lows. So the low is, it is 12 years today that since my dad's passed away. So it's his 12-year anniversary of his passing. So always a weird day. Always feel a bit funny around this day, and just around the time in general. It's like subconsciously, like my body and my mind knows that this day's coming. So always feel a bit funny. So counselling yesterday was quite hard, to be honest. And then the positive of today is that it's mine and Robin's 4-year wedding anniversary. So I feel like at the time when we got married, I was like, it's such a good idea. Like, what a lovely thing to get married on the day my dad died. But I never really thought about how it would be like in the future. And I'm not going to lie, like it is hard. And I always feel like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like I want to be celebrating my wedding, but then it's like there's also that part of the day as well that is about my dad. So I don't know, it's a bit of a weird one. But it is what it is, can't change it. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to go to my dad's grave now and put some flowers down. And so funny. So me and Robin did presents for our anniversary. And the theme this year is like really weird. So for 4 years, there's lots of things you can do. You can do like linen, silk, flowers, fruit, or an electrical appliance is like the modern one. So I was like, well, what the hell do I get a man along those themes? So I thought electrical appliances, and I was thinking, what does he want? And I thought, right, he actually really wants some headphones. So it very loosely fits the theme of electrical appliances, kind of. So I got him some headphones. But what's really weird is he also got me headphones too, without each other knowing what we were getting each other. So he loosely fitted it to that as well. So freaking funny. They weren't the same ones, they were different ones. But yeah, how weird. And yeah, we're going out for dinner tonight. So yeah, a bit of a weird day, but anyway, I was going to go visit my dad's grave now, and then, yeah, probably chill for a bit, and then, yeah, we're going to go for dinner tonight. I've not been to this restaurant tonight. Robin has. It's sushi, which I love. But yeah, a bit of a weird day, but yeah, just trying to stay positive. Guys, heading out for dinner. Casual vibes tonight. Cargo pants, print top, and Nike Dunks. A new place, a new home. Oh, guys, I've had a stressful day. You know when you're just like, oh. Basically, like, I'm trying to be so good to help my mental health and my stress levels. And I always try to, like, not take on too much work. But it just works out that it just all comes at once. It's really, really weird. I don't know, like, how it happens, but it all just kind of, yeah, there's delays on things. You know, I don't get sent information, for example, and it just suddenly all creeps up on me. And then I've got, like, yeah, a lot of other stuff just in my personal life going on, like life admin and bits and bobs, like, I've probably said like so many times. Anyways, I'm dressed and ready. I'm literally wearing the outfit I wore to my sister's baby shower, but hey ho, I love it because it's really cool, colourful, but it's casual and comfy. So I'm actually going to a hen party tonight, well, this weekend. So we are glamping. It's only an hour away from me, which is actually super handy. So someone is going to come pick me up in a minute, and we're going to do a little hour road trip. We're glamping, and yeah, basically it's one of mine and Robin's close friends. They have changed their wedding so many times because of COVID. Honestly, I feel so sorry for them, bless them, but it's coming. They're getting married in France in August, and finally her hen party can happen. So very excited. The weather looks incredible, like literally the sun is shining. So yeah, it's going to be an amazing weekend. There's lots of things that we're doing. I think we're jive dancing, yoga. There's like a surprise tomorrow night, which I think I know what it is. And then what else is there? Cooking, like a cookery class thing. Flower crown making. There's like a whimsical woodland like party tomorrow night. Like, it's going to be so fun. So I'll take you guys along with me. I want to kind of like not think about work when I'm there though. So like, I'll just film a few little bits of what we get up to, but I don't want to be like vlogging like properly, or do you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, I'll just film a few little bits just to show you guys in case anyone is planning a hen party and wants some like inspo or ideas. So yeah, very excited. So yeah, I'm all packed up and ready to go. Abby Princess! Woo! Oh my God. Woo!
Yeah! A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. My way.
guys, I think I had my camera on a weird setting again where the colour was funny, so I'll try and edit it so it looks okay. I'm home. I've bathed, I've washed my hair. I'm very tired, but I had a very, very fun weekend celebrating my friend's hen party and the fact she's getting married. The wedding is in a few months' time in August, so that should be super fun. Can't talk because I was singing so much last night. My tongue has rubbed on my retainer and it's really sore underneath, so I feel like I can't talk properly without it like scratching and hurting. So yeah, anyway, but I get to change my retainer tomorrow hopefully. Actually did well at wearing it this weekend considering there was a lot of like eating, drinking. I was like putting it in, putting it out. But yeah, just very tired. I might have a little cheeky nap. Also got a busy week next week, but just wanted to catch up with you guys. Yeah, so it was really fun. Hope you enjoyed watching a few little snippets of what we got up to. Lots of crazy antics as there always is at hen parties. And yeah, I will see you guys. Oh, Shad, he's so cute. I will see you guys in another weekly vlog very, very soon. Big boy, he missed his mummy. That was tongue in the mouth. Just a little. Okay. Oh, lovely wet willy in the ear. Okay. Blah. Thanks. He missed his mummy. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys soon. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.